There's no better place to spend the 4th of July than the Woodlands Township. We have an exciting array of events for the whole week that we'd like to tell you a little bit about. First up is the Star-Spangled Salute at the Pavilion at 8 p.m. on July the 3rd. Houston Symphony does a very patriotic themed concert. Everything's lit up America, red, white, and blue. It's a great event. Then the next day on July 4th at 9 a.m. at Market Street is the South Montgomery County Parade, and it's actually honoring our very own Dr. Ann Snyder for her years and years of service to our community. It's an outstanding parade that goes all the way around Market Street. It's a great event for all of your kids, and it's actually at 9 a.m. so it's cool and not as hot as it is during the day. Next up, at all of our pools across the Woodlands Township, we're doing Red Hot and Pool. Red Hot and Pool is going to be activities at all of our pools for all of our kiddos to enjoy and cool off right after the 4th of July parade. And then for the grand finale, the Red Hot and Blue Festival. It's the annual festival. It's one of our best festivals of the year that feature all kinds of concerts and public events, family friendly. And the big show starts at 9:30 p.m. Fireworks go off all across the Woodlands, and it's an exciting time. So tune in to the Woodlands Township website. They go through all the events in much more detail, but we hope to see you out here on 4th of July at the Woodlands Township.